If you've been following me closely for some time now, you will notice I've been finding alternatives to Photoshop and Photoshop, especially smartphone designer like me that find it hard to use Photoshop because of this lagging stuff everything. So in today's video, I want to give you this website that will blow your mind and help you as a graphic designer. This is an alternative to Photoshop. So let's jump right into the video. So coming over here, I'll come to the website, which is mockupbro.com. Okay, here is it over here, mockupbro.com. So just click on search. Okay, create awesome mockup without any graphic software. So here are many options they have on their platform. Okay, so you can also come over here to these three dots and tap to categorize. You can come to device, print, just check through them. Let's come to social media. Cancel this. Okay, so you can just choose any of these as template that you can edit. Okay, so I'll be coming back to my this is the mockup I actually prepared for the class. Okay, your design here, you can decide to disable this and save as PNG, or you can come over here, this button, tap on it and you change your color to your taste. So I'll just check this canvas size before you design so that it's going to fit this mockup. This 1600 by 1200. So with that being said, you click on upload here. So I already checked this. You can just tap here, then you zoom. Okay, or you can use these zoom features, then you crop and continue. Let's wait for it to load. Oh wow, this is our design, nice and beautiful. So you can just save as PNG and click on download. Okay, let's come to this menu and explore more. You can come over here and come to your print. Okay, you can actually mock up your business card here and different kind of mock up. You can also use them. Let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section, and to learn how to use Photoshop, click on the video right here.